Do you ever wonder why sometimes when you see a commercial or something else that's advertising or marketing for a business, you just feel a certain way, but you can't pinpoint why? Well, it's due in part to the colors that are used in that advertising. Color psychology can play a big role in your business and your advertising and the way you market it. Hey there, I'm Danielle from Behind the Scenes Genius, bringing you tech tips and tutorials to help you stand out from the crowd. See, color can do so many different things for you. It can be a help or it can hinder you. And it's all in the way you use it. And every color has different things that are associated with them. So let's dive on in and see what these colors are all about. Let's take red for an example. These colors are associated with love, passion, anger, frustration, and even trauma. It can evoke feelings of increased appetite and increased heart rate. And deeper colors like burgundy are associated with richness and luxury. So if you were doing a food blog, you might consider making red one of your colors because this would be a great way to increase appetite and have people really hungry, especially as they're reading the posts on your blog. Let's take pink. This color is associated with joy, youth, comfort, and quiet. It can evoke feelings of sweetness and shyness and happiness, and deeper colors can evoke feelings of energy, kindness, and even affection. Orange is associated with outgoing, power, as well as caution. It can grab your attention, evoke feelings of nervousness and excitement, and it can also increase heart rate and appetite as well. Yellow is an inviting color that's associated with spring and happiness. It can also evoke feelings of increased impatience, hostility, and heart rate. Let's take purple. This is a color associated commonly with luxury and prestige, as well as power, and it can also increase creativity, compassion, wisdom, and devotion. Blue is associated with sophistication and luxury, as well as trust, just like purple. It's also a color that invokes feelings of safety, less worry, and a calm and professional feeling. Green is associated with luck, money, prestige, and spring. It's also a great color for the outdoors, so depending on what your blog or business may be about, if it's an outdoor company or a travel company, you might consider making green one of your brand colors. Green can evoke feelings of compassion, security, and wisdom. White is a color that is very soft, innocent, and is clean. And it can evoke feelings of pride as well. And it's a great color to add to any business color scheme because in web design, white space is your friend. Let's take black. This color is associated with luxury, formality, and prestige. It evokes feelings of sophistication and power, as well as success and fear. Gray is a color associated with sickness and boredom, but it's also associated with stability. It can evoke feelings of fear and boredom, but it can also invoke feelings of sophistication and calm. Brown is a very earthy, natural color. It's associated with being relaxing, comforting, and calming. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Be sure to subscribe down below for new videos every Thursday at 9 a.m. Central. I'll see you next time. Bye.